You want in on one of the biggest markets that there is. If so, I think that you're going to love what I have to tell you about in my review and bonus for 365 viral Christmas shorts. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and I am known as the Man in the Hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm one of the very few people who can pull successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new, and if you're not new, you would know by now that you could skip ahead. Yeah, I tell the same boring, stale jokes. Yeah, I get it. Okay, fine, no problem. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: review software and info products. They make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing in my Well, it's very, very simple to make sure that you don't buy much of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Dude, seriously. No, you don't want crap. These people don't, you don't, nobody does. This guy has been on my case for years talking about wanting crap. He does not want it. You don't want it either. Stop it, dude. Stop it. Seriously. If you're new, wait, be sure careful, but I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator if I don't better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos about mindset and entrepreneurship.
Musician, scholar, rake, entrepreneur, conspiracy theorist.
No, thank you. That's interesting, but no, I'm just an entrepreneur. And by the way,
Where is Liz Lemon?
exactly. Good God, where is Liz Lemon? Okay, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're going out the sales page for the 365 Christmas video shorts. Now, this is 365 videos that are done for you, ready to roll. They can go ahead and start deploying immediately to be able to make money by promoting stuff for Christmas. Now, of course, you know, Christmas is very popular. It is currently, as I'm recording this, December 10th. A few weeks left till Christmas. Now is the time to get in on the rush. You can still drive tons of traffic because everybody's going to be looking at these things right now. Grab this right now. You will be able to drive an immense amount of traffic. But of course, and I'll show you the members in just a second. I do want to tell you my custom bonus because, of course, I always have the best custom bonus. And boy, do I have one heck of a custom bonus for you. So let me tell you about this bonus because this is just going to blow your mind. So I am giving away probably the most complete set of content ever. So first of all, everything that you're getting from me is going to come with full PLR rights. You can sell these. You can give them away, use them as your own bonus, do whatever you want with them. So first of all, you've got family Christmas recipes. Okay, you got the Christmas music collection. You got 50 Christmas articles. Okay, so I got you 50 Christmas articles that you can use to deploy in your blog. Okay, I've got a very Merry Christmas, which is full of ideas to help you use your time so you can enjoy Christmas season. All right, I've got The Night of Two Visitors. This is a Christmas story. It's a book that you can sell, give away, use as your own bonus. Okay, I've got Stress-Free Christmas, talking about how to make sure that you're not going to have a stressful Christmas. I've got It's Christmas. Okay, this is all about how to make your own custom-made gifts for Christmas. Okay, I've got Delicious Desserts for Christmas. Again, everything for Christmas, but that's not all. I've also got high-resolution Christmas header graphics. All you gotta do is add text to these. These are great. You can use these, for example, as thumbnails for videos on YouTube, whatever you want to use them for. Okay, you got Christmas tweet graphics. Okay, if you want to go onto X and start using X or as using on Twitter, use these. Okay, more Christmas graphics. Okay, I've also got how to take the stress out of Christmas. I've got how to make a homemade Christmas and incredible memories. I've got holiday mayhem. Okay, encourage your family to express their thoughts and figure out how to do that for a great season. A history of American Christmas and its traditions. A collection of 34 short stories of 149 pages all about Christmas. Okay, The Night Before Christmas and Other Christmas Stories for Children. Old Christmas. Okay, I've got Christmas coloring and crafts printables. I've got Ho 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 Christmas beverages, the Christmas dinner, a play. Okay, I've got the Christmas mystery, another story. I've got Christmas cookie recipe packages. I've got Christmas fun, games and activities for everyone. I've got Christmas happy package. Okay, I've got Christmas decorating. All of these things you're going to be getting from me as my custom bonus instantly when you pick up 365 viral Christmas videos. But that's not all, by the way. See, now let me show you the price. Price here, you're going to see is $9.95, but you actually can get it for $6.95. What can you buy for $6.95 these days? You can't even go to the movies for $6.95. You can't even see a good Christmas film for that money. But you can get all of my bonuses plus all of these videos. Let me show you the videos. Basically, first of all, by the way, in order to get that, just try to exit. You're going to get this coupon code 33 off Xmas. I'll have this on my website as well. Use this coupon code to get the price of $6.95. But here, check this out. I want to show you a couple of samples. These are just some of the GIFs of videos that you have that are included, but there are 365 of these. Okay, you get all of these things with unrestricted usage rights. Again, sell them, use them as your own, whatever you want to do with them. Go ahead and use them. Okay. Now, this is the members area. I want to show you the other pages because there's not a whole lot to see here. It's basically just a download page. But again, I've taken a look. Nice stuff. You can definitely start making some money off of these things and cash in on Christmas and have a really Merry Christmas for yourself. I happen to love Christmas, even though I'm Jewish, but I think it's a beautiful holiday. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Yeah, seriously. Okay, you the man. I love Christmas. I think it's a beautiful holiday, and I love Christmas themed content because it can make you money and also put you in the mood for the holiday season. So yeah, definitely grab this one for $6.95. It is a no-brainer. You're gonna love this.